I will start this market review with some notice. Basically, I've been posting the session levels, and now I'm going to post option levels on the instruments where it is possible to count option levels on. So for those like Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Kiwi, Canada, Frankie, Yen, Mexican, and gold. So these instruments are going to be posted option levels. So option levels will be posted on these instruments. On others, where it's not possible to count option levels on, I will post a session levels then. Okay, so all these option levels and session levels will be updated from session to session. So for example, because I've been redoing my kind of approach at the moment, well, the approach is the same, and I did have these option levels, but I mean, regarding how to count them, etc. So I've decided not to post the Asian session actually levels at the moment. So all what I have, the last one were on last hours of American session, of US session. So for what I'm going to do now is I will post these levels in 1 hour. So in about hour and a half, you will have them on my profile at TradingView. Also, I'll post them on Twitter as well. Okay, let's have a look on the major ones, just in case if something is happening here. All right, I do see a reversal here. It's on Aussie. But the thing is that, well, it does look like it's all right to sell now. So basically, it's better to wait for this level around 0.75218 to sell it. But it's not necessarily will happen. So what is happening at the moment, the price is going down. Well, as I told you, you know, sometimes one day we're trading in one direction, another day in another. All right, so the price is going up now. Those of you who've been able to enter it at this low here, that's fine. That's up to you totally. So the price is going to go up till this trend line here, and then it is very likely, well, possibly it will break through it for a little bit till this level 0.75218, and then it will continue its down movement. Okay, so Euro Pound. The price is going down at the moment. Okay, let me show, not show, but see what is actually happening with it. What my system is telling me, what is going on. So basically, well, I'm saying it to you that it's my system. Of course, it is counted, and but you can also use just, you know, some averages or something like this to tell you a direction. So my one is a bit more kind of, no, I would say it's much more advanced than that, but basically it just tells me where the price is going and where it most likely will go during today, for example. I do watch put call ratios as well, so which is good. To trade against the majority. All right, well, it's loading. All right, so Euro Pound. Well, I've been expecting it to go up. What I can see here, and I've actually predicted it a bit earlier here, and I've been drawing it. Just a sec. Let's have a look at something. All right. Well, the price might continue its down movement actually today. So that's what we have here is possibly a good entry point. Well, at least a try to sell it at this point with a target around here at 0.82850. So at the moment, the limit order might be just here. So it's better to switch to 15-minute chart. Okay, we are possibly going to make something like a head and shoulders here. So it will be one shoulder, head, another shoulder. And the price will, well, it normally goes up after that, but well, you know, it's it all depends. So what can I see here? Again, you must remember that there will be very important news today, just before the US, so be careful, and it will be very busy there. So most of the participants will wait till the news and not trade now. So we just have to kind of be patient here. So that's a conflict, basically, what I call. So the pattern here, or the price action at the moment, is showing us a possible reversal, and this level is very important, 0.83275. In case if the price will kind of close below this level, then it is possible that the price will continue its down movement and will trigger this level here, 0.83024. But in case if the price won't continue its down movement, and well, it is possible that it will bounce off this level and go up till this level, at least 0.83642. Okay, let's go further. It's euro dollar. Don't recommend to do anything at the moment. Let me switch to 1 hour at least. The price is going up. I guess it will continue its up movement towards 1.1045, 105. So something like this might happen, but before the European session actually starts and London opening, so we might have some sort of a reversal pattern here. So watch a 4-hour chart as well. The price is going down, it's good to sell it. So we just have to find a good point to sell it. All right, so pound dollar, the price is going in a range at the moment, so we do have some sort of, well, okay. Just a second, we'll try to draw this thing here for you, just to show you what I mean by that. So what is the range in this case? Okay, so that's what it is basically. It can be like this, so it all depends on what, who and how will place a line on the chart. So basically reaching this level here, and as you already see, I've posted the idea to sell it. That's something what I want to do. So basically it is a good area to sell. The stop loss might be a bit wider, and what we have to see, well, the price we actually must use is this one for now. So it's just a little correction, but the idea is the same, and the target is this bottom line here. All right. Well, one more time. Basically, just before US session will start, and during the European session, we might see lots of consolidations, noise, etc. So it doesn't mean that the price will go in one direction before the news. Normally it doesn't. Kiwi. The price is going down. We can see it quite clearly. No reason to buy it at the moment. Well, this short-term target, which has been posted just before the Asian session, has been hit. And what is happening there? Can I have a look? Okay. the price is going down, it's going to continue to go down. So the only thing is that I guess that this level here is 0.70145 will be triggered first before the price will continue its down movement. Okay, dollar CAD. All right, as we can see, let me check it with my one. Well, while I'm checking with my system, basically, when your eyes see something, you can make a mistake still. But when your system is counting something, it's always kind of factor-to-factor comparison. All right, so it does look like we have much more chances of the price to continue its up movement. So all what we need to do, we might have a reversal pattern, of course, today. Let me switch to one-day chart just to have a look what has happened yesterday. We don't have any reversal patterns yet, so the price might continue its up movement for today, to be honest. And we are possibly approaching a very good entry point. Okay, it's 1 hour chart. So what I would suggest you to do is to wait till, let me show you something. All right, so I guess I will use a mirror line here. So what is mirror line? I'm just building something around this area. Yep, and then copying it here. So all right, so this is a level. Basically, this line is possibly going to be reached. Okay, so the price is going here, and okay, and then we are trying to buy it from here. Okay, good. So that's basically my view, my opinion on this one. It doesn't mean that it's a good idea to buy it straight away. So we might have it within like a couple of hours from now. So well, of course I might be wrong and the price is possibly going to go up now. But as I told you, I'm always trying to find a better price. So you always have to stick to your own rules. My rules are like this, so I'm sharing my opinion on the market. You can use it, you can do your own stuff, but I do what I normally do, and I will change it only in case if I'll see that I'm wrong a lot, basically, or I'm not able to make any profit with my approach. Because you know the volatility is changing on the market, and it always might be different a little bit. Okay, so let's go a bit further. It's Frankie. All right, so Frankie is going. So my system is telling me that we shall buy it, actually. Just let me check it one more time, but it did tell me yesterday. I don't see anything has been changed here, so yes. So the market upward continuation is much more likely, and it does look like a very good entry opportunity at the moment. So let me place a order. So all right. Okay. Right. I've done my part, so let me post it for others that they can actually see it. So because it might be a very good opportunity, and this is one of the reasons why sometimes I do use market orders actually. So long position. Yes, this is at least a target. Stop loss we can place just below this level. Is 2.27 is a risk reward ratio, but I guess that the price will continue its up movement towards further. So all right, so publish idea. Yeah. Okay, publish idea, done. Let's go further. That's the reason to have like to use the multi-time, not the time frame, but to watch kind of few instruments, you know, because well, watching only one instrument will not lead you anywhere. It might, but well, I wouldn't suggest to do so. So, all right. So what can we have here? It's well, the price is going down. We might have another tail towards up, so toward this area here, and that's where I'm going to buy it because I've been able to place the idea, but I was away of my trading machine basically, so I wasn't able to sell it basically. All right. Okay. Mexican. So been trying to sell it for a few times. Okay, I'm not sure that now what we see here is actually a very good idea to sell, but let's switch to 4-hour chart. We do see a very good reversal opportunity here. So something like this is happening without tails. So that's what I don't like. We don't have any tails, or if you want to call them wicks, then we don't have wicks. This is something what is normally helping us and telling us that, well, we shall do this or shall do that. All right, so what might happen something like this. So we will have a reversal towards downside, and then we'll have another wave where we'll be able to get a better price. So I guess that the price is not going to move anywhere before the news. That's how it looks like. I might be wrong again, so I'm not going to sell this one. Okay. I'm on the market with Frank, so anyway, okay, so let's go a bit further. The gold is the last one. The price is bouncing off the level, as we can see, very important level here, so it's good idea to buy it actually. Okay, so the price is 1348. I mean, not for 134, 1305. It's so, at least 20 contracts. At least. Okay. Gold. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The gold. Yeah, right. Fine. It's 15 minutes. Don't really like it. How does it look? Let me remind myself. How does it look on 1-hour chart at least? So is it 4? It's 4 hours. Yeah, I'll try to enter the market with a small volume. So because it was a 4-hour chart, so I'll spread it. Let me place a limit order very close to this one. It might be well, like 10 contracts. All right. I just leave it as it is. Okay. Might work, might not. All right, guys, so that's about it. That's all what I wanted to tell you now. So if you have any questions, just please ask. I do not provide personally any trading ideas, etc. If you want to see what I think about market, or if I see any trades, well, basically you can follow me on Twitter. Twitter is easier, marenno.business. I'm there. All right, but guys, bye-bye. Have a good day and good trading. Bye-bye.